When you think of Fiji, you think turquoise waters and white sandy beaches. But what about the rest of the country? Well, we got an exclusive look with Fiji's newest inland tourism operator, and they're called Unravel Viti. The tour started off in Singatoka and took us all the way to the Nausori Highlands. Now this is the real untouched Fiji. To my knowledge, there's no tour until now that goes this far inland up to the Nausori Highlands. Of course, we were met by heaps of beautifully friendly locals, saw lots of animals, went through some beautiful villages, and had some of the best views I've ever seen. We had a glimpse of village life. I couldn't help myself, I needed to ride in the back for part of the tour. Then the highlight was this sunset.
How did you like the ride so far?
The views from up here are simply stunning. Thank you so much to the team at Unraveled Viti for this amazing experience. I highly recommend this tour to everybody at least once in your lifetime.